Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is James.
And I'm Lena. We are so excited to have you with us today. Welcome to English Podcast Coach.
That's right. And Lena, let me ask you a quick question. Do you ever feel like your brain has too many tabs open, like a computer?
Oh, James? Every single day. It feels like my mind is a web browser with 100 tabs open and music playing from one I can't even find.
Exactly. Well, if you feel that way, you are in the right place. Today, we're talking about a fantastic tool to help close some of those tabs: meditation.
It's going to be a fun and relaxing conversation. But before we dive in, please, if you love learning English in a fun way, hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up.
Yes, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family who also want to improve their English. Your support means the world to us. Okay, so meditation. Lena, what does that word even mean to you?
That's a great question. For me, meditation is like a mini vacation for my mind. It's the practice of training your attention and awareness to achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm state.
A mini vacation for the mind. I love that. It's not about stopping your thoughts completely, right? That sounds impossible.
Exactly. It's more about observing your thoughts without judging them. This is where our first important word comes in: mindfulness.
Mindfulness. Okay, so what's the difference between meditation and mindfulness?
Good question. Think of it this way. Meditation is the formal practice, like going to the gym. Mindfulness is the result you can use all day long, like being strong. Mindfulness is simply being aware of the present moment.
Ah, that makes sense. So when you're drinking your coffee and you really taste the coffee and feel the warm cup, that's mindfulness.
You got it. You are in the present moment, not worrying about work or what you have to do later. So meditation helps you practice mindfulness, and one of the most common ways to do that is by focusing on your breathing.
Breathing, that's our next word. It sounds so simple, but it's really powerful. I used to think meditation was super complicated, but someone told me just sit for 2 minutes and focus on your breath. That changed everything for me.
Yeah, I totally feel that. When I first started, my mind was all over the place. But just coming back to the feeling of the air going in and out, that's the anchor. It's what helps you feel calm.
Calm, that's a perfect word. It's the opposite of feeling stressed or anxious. It's that nice, quiet feeling inside. For example, you could say, after a long day at work, a walk by the lake makes me feel calm.
I love that example. And feeling calm leads to our next word, relaxed. When your body is not tense, when your shoulders are down, not up by your ears, you are relaxed.
That's so true. I used to feel the same way with my shoulders always so tense. For me, meditation was a game changer for sleeping. I used to lie in bed, my mind racing about work. Now, I do a 10-minute meditation and my body just feels so much more relaxed and ready for sleep.
That's amazing. It's like you're telling your body it's safe to power down. A mini dialogue could be, your friend says, "I'm so stressed about my exam." You could reply, "Try to do some deep breathing. It will help you feel more relaxed."
Great example. And when you're calm and relaxed, it's easier to do our next word, focus. To focus means to put all your attention on one thing.
Right. Before I started meditating, my focus was terrible. I'd be trying to write an email, but also thinking about lunch and what I needed to buy at the store. Total chaos.
I've been there, but practicing meditation, even for just 5 minutes a day, trains your brain to stay on one task. So now, at work, I can focus on my report for a whole hour without getting distracted. It's incredible.
That's the goal, right? And when you can focus better and feel more relaxed, you start to feel stress-free, or at least less stressed.
Stress-free. That sounds like a dream. It means without stress. While life always has challenges, meditation gives you the tools to handle them without feeling so overwhelmed.
So true. I remember being stuck in traffic and feeling so angry and stressed. Now I use that time to notice my breathing. I don't love the traffic, but I can have a stress-free experience inside my car.
That's a superpower. And that feeling connects to our next word, peaceful. Peaceful is a beautiful word that describes a quiet and calm environment or feeling.
Like a quiet library is peaceful. a walk in the forest can be peaceful. And after you meditate, your mind can feel peaceful, even if your house is noisy with kids.
Exactly. You find the peace inside you. An example sentence could be, I love waking up early because the house is so peaceful.
That's a perfect one. You know, we've covered some amazing words and ideas so far. This might be a good time to check in with our wonderful listeners.
Great idea, Lena. We would love to hear from you. Please pause for a moment and write in the comments below. First, do you meditate?
Yes, we're curious. Also, tell us, how do you relax? Maybe it's listening to music, cooking, or going for a run.
And one more question. Which new word did you learn today? Let us know in the comments. We love reading your answers.
Those are great questions, James. And as people are commenting, I want to talk about something important. What happens when meditation feels hard? Sometimes I sit down and my mind is even busier than before. Okay, so let's get back to it. All of these words, calm, peaceful, relaxed, are about getting to this special place that meditators talk about all the time, the present moment.
The present moment. This phrase means right now. Not the past, which is finished, and not the future, which hasn't happened yet. Just now.
Right. We spend so much time worrying about the future or replaying the past. Meditation is a tool to bring us back to the only moment that is real, the present moment.
I used to feel a lot of anxiety, which is really just worrying about the future. Focusing on my breathing brings me back to the present moment and tells my brain, hey, right now, in this second, you are okay.
That is such a powerful realization. And when you are in the present moment, you can achieve our final vocabulary phrase, a clear mind.
A clear mind. This is what it's all about. It means your mind is not cluttered with worries, thoughts, or distractions. It's like a calm, clean lake.
What a beautiful image. It doesn't mean an empty mind, but a mind where thoughts can come and go without causing a storm. After I meditate, I feel like I have a clear mind, and I can make better decisions during the day.
That makes total sense. Here's a mini dialogue. Person A says, I can't solve this problem. I'm too confused. Person B could say, why don't you take a short break, go for a walk, and come back with a clear mind?
Perfect. So you can see how all these words and ideas connect. It all starts with the simple act of meditation and focusing on your breathing.
It really does. And you don't need to do it for an hour a day. 3 to 5 minutes can make a huge difference in your daily routine. It's about consistency, not duration.
That's such a motivating point, James. It's not another thing to add to your to-do list to feel stressed about. It's a gift you give to yourself.
Well said. Wow, this has been a fantastic conversation, Lena. I feel more calm and peaceful already just talking about it.
Me too. Let's do a quick recap for everyone listening. Today, we talked about meditation, which is like exercise for your mind.
Right, and we learned some key vocabulary. We have mindfulness, which is paying attention to the present moment. And a great way to practice that is by focusing on your breathing.
When you do this, you can feel calm and relaxed, which helps you to focus better.
And the wonderful result of all this is a more stress-free and peaceful life where you can enjoy the present moment with a clear mind.
What a great summary! We hope this conversation has inspired you and helped you learn some new English words in a fun, relaxing way.
Absolutely. Thank you all so much for learning with us today on English Podcast Coach. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and like this video.
And share it with anyone you know who wants to learn English and feel great while doing it. We can't wait to see you in the next episode.
Until then, take care, keep practicing, and have a peaceful day. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye! Thanks for listening.